Dear John, oh my God, I almost gave myself a heart attack. That's a 1/2 inch bit. I went from a 1/8 to a 1/4. Boom. I drilled not 2, not 4, but 6 holes in your roof. And behold, tight as a drum, seals exactly the same as the roof rack, and it's not going anywhere. It looks really, really good. I'll jump down here, give you an away view. Totally cool. Totally cool. And this really does help keep the rear window clean. So it's kind of a functional thing too, not just for looking cool. It does help with that. And there we are.